Salve, rapaziada, aqui quem tá falando, galera, é o tio Gian. E eu vou trazer pra vocês, galera, galera, não é o tio, é o tio Gian, só que em outro canal, galera. Eu vou estar gravando nesse canal agora, beleza? Eu vou trazer vídeo nesse canal, que é o Game Over, beleza? Espero que vocês gostem, galera. É um joguinho da hora, eu sei que muita gente conhece esse jogo. E espero que vocês curtam, galera. Deixe seu like aí pra ajudar nós, beleza? Compartilhe com seus amigos. E não se esqueça, galera, de se inscrever aqui no canal, que a gente tá quase chegando a 200 inscritos, galera. Beleza? Então é isso aí, galerinha. Bora pro vídeo. Bora continuar aqui, galera. Tudo certo, vamos criar aqui a primeira carreira.
Have I ever told you about my son? Remarkable boy, quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solar Galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank.
The Zoni are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits?
Sire does not remember. You must fix.
Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sister board scan.
Alright, let's see. Favorite colors green, favorite numbers 83 billion and 4.7, blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Look at us again! It's in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the Orbis chamber.
No, Orbis chamber.
Your soundiness. If we could take but a peek at the chamber.
No, Orbis chamber. Chamber is for Sire only.
Very well. Then I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
the Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler!
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
He's awake! Stop him!
O bonequinho correu, mano. Aqui o barulho. Oi?
I'm your only hope of escaping Dr. Nefarious. Head into the air duct. Keep moving.
Sir, the security locks.
Good. You're safe for now.
Where am I? What is Dr. Nefarious doing here?
I'll explain everything as soon as you're safe, sir. But right now, we need to calibrate your ocular response processes. Try looking at the ocular scanner on your left. Good. Okay, now look at the one on the right. Got it. All right, look at the scanner above you. Good. Now, there's one more beneath you. Got it. You're recalibrated. Now, keep moving. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
Aberrant time activity detected in JOGO sector. Time anomalies detected on planet Japan.
The registry says that the number of SERIE has dwindled from 117,000 to 205.
There's a perfectly logical explanation for that, but let's save it for another time. Switch phones, sir. They belong to Dr. Nefarious. Hurry up, sir. Use your helipad. They're on their way, sir. You have to move.
Flight is in inbound substation 10.
Here, quickly. Quick, they're right on your tail. Sir, I have an idea. I'm going to put a hypersonic brainwave scrambler into the room. Hurry! Before the energy dissipates! Good job, sir! Now keep moving! Oh no! This is terrible! Oh, why is this work growing? I can't believe I let this happen!
We've located the caretaker's signal. In the Sector 1 pulse club.
Sir, they locked me in! Keep moving and don't let them anywhere near the chamber!
Lost integrity critical.
Mano, que joguinho legal, cara. Eu me divirto muito jogando.
Dr. Nefarious, I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it? This is your home! The Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery, engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence, and constructed in the exact Center of the universe! Give or take 50 feet.
I am curious. What lie did you tell the zoning in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance? You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance? They say I'm egomaniacal. Let's just say it's all in the past. Lawrence!
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
Shall I prepare the mnemonic station again?
No, I have a better idea.
But, sir...
Patience, Lawrence. We have all the time in the universe.
Então, galerinha,
Space. It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombards' one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize the ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry, I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pantsy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep, these wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Well, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning! Unidentified memory detected.
Hang on. Shifting to evasive maneuver.
Oh no, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear!
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! A million! Engage gravel metric stabilizers!
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing force offline.
Alright, no, we're gonna die. Hang
I know. So much for clean underwear.
se lascaram, mano.
Where the heck are we?
Beats me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery.
Tô caindo numa terra desconhecida, galera. Bem doida. Mas, galera, infelizmente a gente vai ficando por aqui, beleza? Espero que vocês tenham gostado aí da nossa série. E deixe seu like também, que ajuda demais. Se inscreve no canal, galera, e compartilha com seus amigos. Que o tio Jean vai começar a trazer nesse canal, vai começar a trazer série assim, galera, da hora que pra vocês que gostam, beleza? Então é isso aí, galera, um abraço do tio Jean e é nóis, valeu. E não se esqueça de se inscrever no canal Game Over, certo, galera? Que é esse canal que eu tô postando. E o tio Jean também vai continuar com as lives. Então é isso aí, galerinha, falou!